This is a demonstration of the eiConsole for Healthcare's Friendly Name software feature. Mapping and manipulating the widely adopted HL7 2.x data standard is a common task for organizations in the healthcare ecosystem. The complexity of reading and understanding an HL7 message can make this a challenging and time-consuming process. The Friendly Name feature of the eiConsole is available in the HL7 2.x transformation module. This module is used to bind an HL7 message to XML or to generate an HL7 message from XML representation. To enable the Friendly Name feature, we simply ensure that the Friendly Name option is checked in the configuration. Now we can see how this works in the eiConsole's test mode. First, we can view our input, the HL7 message. As you can see, if you don't have expert level knowledge of HL7, this would be very difficult to understand or interpret. However, after conversion to XML with the HL7 2.x transformation module with friendly names enabled, we can see a much more human-readable version of the message. For instance, we can see that the component, segments, and fields are all labeled in a way that most people would understand. The friendly name feature of PilotFish's interface engine is also available for drag-and-drop mapping within the Data Mapper component. Here, mapping with friendly names is made available through the HL7 version 2.x format builder. Again, we can select the HL7 version we're working with and choose the friendly names option. Loading the HL7 standard this way will give us a human-readable tree of all of the HL7 segments, fields, and components. Drag-and-drop mapping can now be completed using these friendly name fields. As a result of using the HL7 friendly name option in PilotFish's integration interface engine, the eiConsole, mapping logic, and HL7 interfaces are made much easier. You will be saving hundreds, if not thousands of hours on your HL7 2.x interface development projects.